wolfpupKG, and welcome to the supposed to be Friday vlog. This is actually Friday night when I'm recording this, and I'll upload it tomorrow morning. But today, I worked all day. It's Labor Day weekend, so it was really busy at the store. I worked 10 to 6:30. Tomorrow I work 10 to 4. Next day I work 10 to 4, and the next day I work 10 to 6:30. So my supposed break was not that much of a break from school because we got Friday and Monday off. So I had to work all of those days and then all weekend. So I haven't had a day off where I'm not doing anything since the summer, which is good. So yeah, that's why my videos have been late sometimes. So yeah. Yesterday, Thursday, I got my driver's license, which is exciting, and so now I can drive places, and I've been driving myself to work the past 2 days. So yeah. Oh, and I worked Thursday too, and I had school. I think I'm getting a cold. I woke up this morning, I had a sore throat, and then all day today I've had a sore throat. So yeah, I hope I didn't get anyone sick. So yeah, that's why I kind of sound funny, because I've been talking all day, and then yeah. And then I found this. This noise putty. So yeah, I've just been having fun with this, because I'm a kid. It was Wednesday night. I had to finish a project for my agriculture class. I think it's called Ag Management and something. I don't know. But I had to finish a big trifold for it, and I stayed up till 1 o'clock in the morning because I had to do my college algebra, and then work on my trifold, and then I had to get up in the morning at 6:10 so I could go in early at school and finish my stuff on the computer in the 20 minutes I had to work on it. So yeah, I've been kind of stressed, and I ended up actually crying at school. Almost twice. Well, the first time I did cry. The second time I almost cried. Which is weird because I don't cry at school. Yeah. Things have been kind of weird in my life lately. Just been stressed and stuff. But yeah, maybe this noise putty will help. I can satisfy my childish sense of humor with fart noises. The other night when I went to a party, Saturday, I left my, it was last Saturday, I left my hoodie at my friend's house, and she still has it. So maybe I can drive to her house and pick it up. Yeah, that'll be exciting. And I officially think I have no content for Monday. So if I get a chance to record this weekend, I'm gonna record. But I probably won't, so if there's no Monday video, that's why. Yeah, after work, I went to the other grocery store and talked to my friend. I went and saw Allie, and I talked to her about, I was like, I drove myself here, because I have a, oh my god, listen how deep my voice sounds. That's because my cold makes my voice sound really deep. And so when I got home, I was talking to my mom, since I have a cold, and I've been talking all day, my voice is now gone all smooth jazz. My voice is deep now, because of my cold. So now when I talk, it gets really low. Anyway, so I went and talked to Allie, and bought a candy bar from my grocery store competitor, and I found out that their candy bars are cheaper than ours. So yeah, ours meaning the store that I work at. So yeah, I just went and talked to Ellie. So yeah, that's all the news for this week. Have a nice weekend. Bye.
Hey, thanks for watching wolfpupKG. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to me.
And okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh, my phone just went off. So yeah, my voice is